In this video, I will show you how you can change the name of your hotspot on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now doing that is very simple. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on About. Now over here, you will find the option for Name. Now the name of your iPhone over here is the same name which is used for your hotspot. Now if you change the name of your iPhone from here, the name of your hotspot will be changed. Now to do that, just tap on Name, and over here you can enter any name. You can even enter your own name. Now after you change the name of your iPhone, then just tap on Done. And after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the Control Center. From here, just go to the Connection section, and from here just check if your hotspot is turned on or not. If it is turned on, just turn it off, then just wait for a couple of seconds, then turn it back on. And after you do that, now if you use any other phone to connect it to the hotspot of your iPhone, you will notice that the hotspot name of your iPhone has been changed to the name which we have entered over here. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.